Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're gonna upgrade our couches. We're gonna get rid of these old couches. We're gonna add some new couches, and it comes in two pieces. Just to let you know, you need two people to lift it. Here's one. Here's the other one. And Toby's gonna help me today. Toby's gonna help me open the box. Is that right, Toby? Yes, he is gonna help me open the box. So, Toby, you gonna open this box? He said yes. So we're gonna go ahead and start, and we're gonna do a time lapse on putting this together and see how big it is. So my space is not that big here, but we're gonna add the couch. We're gonna remove these, move them out, and add the new one. So let's go ahead and get started. So my 2 cents on this one, they're not very thick, if you guys can see this. They're a little light, a little too thin. And then you see back here, of course, they have the, the Velcro and all that stuff too. There's a big gap in here in between, and this is it's not very good. It's very flimsy, if you guys can see this. Let me show you guys. It's a little flimsy here. I'm putting it against the wall. There's a big gap in here, huge gap in here. Wish it was closer to this. I like that you could put the pillows in there. If you're gonna rotate this, you need to take out the whole pillow and this move to the side, and this pillow has to be changed on this side. But it's not very comfortable. I thought it was gonna be more comfortable, more fluff, but it's a little too loose. I wish it was a little thicker. The ends are really short, the ends. And for animals, a lot of dog hair, you're going to accumulate a lot of dog hair. And it's hard to take off too. So my 2 cents on this furniture. Overall, it looks okay, but it's not for me. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.